Hi guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing, and this time as you can see it's for Tom Clancy's The Division 2 Washington D.C Edition. So yeah, picked this up today. Quite looking forward to playing this. So, yep. So there's the front with the White House in the background and some Division air junks. Side. And there's the back. History will remember. And then in the Washington D.C edition you get that there, all that there. I've got the world map, but I ain't going to open it because it's huge. So the install size is 45 gig. Comes in, this is a slipcase for the stuff, so obviously we've got the map that I've just said, which home of the three. So I'm not going to open it because it's absolutely massive. And you also get the Art of the Division 2 book of lithographs down the back. So it's quite nice, really high quality book as well. So yeah. And then we get the game. So it is 4K Ultra HD, HDR and Xbox One X Enhanced. I think this is just exactly the same as the slipcase. Yes. So inside we have an advert for the standard manual thing. Then we have an advert for Brian Johnson. And the thing about the book. Advert for the 1 year pass, which I believe is free, but you have to pay if you want to get stuff early, I think. There's nothing else on the back. And then the code for the Battle Worn Secret Service pack. So yeah. And you obviously get the disc as well. So yeah, that is my quick unboxing of Tom Clancy's The Division 2 Washington D.C Edition, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, I'll talk to you later. Thank you very much. Bye bye.